If you're a photographer who wants to start shooting festivals, then you've found the right video. Because in this video I will share 7 important things to know when it comes to shooting your first festival. And keep watching until the end for the most important tip of them all. And the first thing you need to know is how to get access to a festival. And for this you need an accreditation. And this is a special recognition by the organization that you're approved to shoot this occasion. Some organizations will give you a press or photo pass if you're invited through a media outlet. But if you're hired by the festival itself, they'll probably give you a crew accreditation or a AAA accreditation. And this stands for Access All Areas. If you're having a hard time with getting access to festivals yourself, feel free to send me a direct message. I love to help. And the bonus tip is that I always twist my wrist when they apply a plastic wristband. And I do this to prevent my hair getting caught between the sticky part. The second thing to know is what the most common rules are when photographing in the photo pit. And the photo pit is the place between the stage and the crowd that is created by placing metal barriers. Each festival has their own set of rules, but one of the most common rules is that you're only allowed to shoot the first 3 songs of an artist and never use a flash. And a bonus tip is to watch out for pyros and CO2 in this area. And the third thing to know is how to create awesome shots from the photo pit, because the most enthusiastic visitors are often in the front row. And shooting from the photo pit can ensure that you can try to capture beautiful emotions like these kind of photos. These are fences, but at some festivals you have barriers, and barriers have safety steps. And when you step on a safety step, it can help you overlook the crowd, and that can help you create beautiful photos like these. And the bonus tip is to try and use the right timing. Listen to the music, anticipate the moment, and then step up the safety step. Because this way you won't block the view for somebody else for too long. And the fourth thing to know is what the front of house is. This is the place where the sound and light technicians have set up. And this place is usually straight in front of the stage, so that the light and sound technicians have an unobstructed view of the show. So this can be the perfect spot to take awesome stage photos like these. And the bonus tip is always check with the staff if it's okay for you to stand in a specific spot, because they also need an unobstructed view in order to do their job. And the fifth thing to know is how to behave on stage. Every festival has their own set of rules for on-stage photography. So I always try to introduce myself to the stage manager and ask if there's anything to keep in mind. And I also ask if I'm even allowed to go on stage, because at some festivals they don't allow too many people on stage at the same time. And the sixth thing to know is to not casually stand between the DJ and the monitors. And the monitors are the music speakers on the left and right next to the DJ. They need these speakers to hear the music properly when they're mixing. And before we dive into the one and most important tip of them all, feel free to check the description below if you want to learn more about festival and event photography, and consider subscribing. And the seventh, one of the most important things to know, is that every festival has their own set of rules. There's no one size fits all. These rules were based on my years of experience of shooting international festivals and events, but if there's one rule to overrule all the rules, it will be use your common sense, be mindful of the people around you, and stick to the rules that are set by the festival stage manager and other people that are responsible. And the bonus tip, don't forget to smile, because being a festival photographer is awesome, so keep reminding yourself that from time to time. And yeah, I'm gonna close down the video for now. Hope to see you soon in real life. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Because in this video I will share 7 important things to know